You already know that most websites are basically the same thing with a different logo. So you've probably tried building this from scratch, offering a CRM or even AI receptionists. But what I'm about to show you in this video is easier than all that, and it truly stands out. And the reason being, businesses actually need this. No more bells and whistles that add to their overhead. In this video, I'll show you 2 examples of these websites I've built and just how powerful they are. Then how you can do it yourself, and most importantly, sell it to local businesses. Check this out. So I'm just going to show you immediately what this new kind of website that business owners literally can't say no to. And I'm going to show you also, this is the most beginner-friendly thing you can possibly do. And that is vibe coding existing websites. So let me show you an example of what I mean. So I created this for a plumber. As you see right here, I was able to add in a calculator where they can come in, they can click clog drain, pick time. It'll give, a pricing for the booking, all this amazing stuff. On top of that, having AI agents and other stuff on the website. And yes, I created this in minutes using a vibe coder. Also, and this is just one example, I created this amazing fitness website where if they come in here, it will change around, showing them different workouts, what parts of the body it's hitting. Again, vibe coded. So this is not like a normal business website where it's like, okay, here's a form, here's that. These are responsive. These have extra added features. They can actually solve problems on the website. You don't have to say, hey, get a free consultation. You can just vibe code and have amazing applications on said website just like this. And on top of that, add in AI agents. So what I'm trying to get you to see is that these new websites are not just static websites for local businesses. These are websites that solve problems, not just by doing lead gen, by having AI chatbots and stuff, but you can legitimately add in stuff like calculators and applications to the website. So what I'm going to show you now, because this is really important, is how to build these in seconds, if not minutes, using AI very quickly, but more importantly, how to sell this for a good recurring monthly price to local business owners. So let's walk into this. Let's not waste any time. Let's just go right in. If you have any questions, by the way, during this video at all, drop them in the comments down below and I will answer personally. So first things first, let me explain to you what a vibe code builder is. Now I'm going to go into how to get one of these properly for free and a bunch of other stuff, so don't worry. But first, let me explain. This is essentially a place where you type in what you want and then AI builds it, kind of like what you're seeing on the screen right now. I just type in and then AI builds it in minutes. Guys, this kind of stuff would be so hard to code, okay? So hard if you were doing this from scratch, like literally days, if not weeks. But with vibe coders, you can do it almost instantly. And so many businesses want this kind of stuff. So now that you understand what this is and how it works, you got part number 1 down. But part number 2 is where the real money is made. And that is what is about to blow you away. And that is, how do we sell this to local businesses for recurring money? And what I'm about to show you, the way we're going to use this vibe coder, will blow you away, because this is the part where you will realize this is the most beginner-friendly service, but also it helps local businesses tremendously. So let's just jump right into this process. So you're going to go right into Google Maps. You're going to search niche, then location, then you're going to come right down, and you can literally pick any of these. And then you're going to find businesses that have less than desirable websites. So we're going to go down, and we're just going to pick, let's pick these people. Again, this is for educational purposes. I'm just picking. Yeah, their website is not great, okay? Could definitely use a bunch of different stuff. Doesn't have any good quality forms, stuff to spice up. Doesn't have AI agents, I see. This one, not that great. So what we can do is we can take this exact URL, okay? Copy it, come right into said vibe coder, and this is what we're gonna do. Make this website more modern and way better with a custom plumber calculator. So that's all we're gonna do, and we're gonna paste this right in here, and then we're gonna click enter. Now what's gonna happen is the vibe coder is gonna go, it's gonna take this website, redo it in minutes, and then give it back to us, okay? And then right after I show you the exact result of this, I'm then gonna show you, well, how do we reach out and get this to them? Because this is like the ultimate way to essentially show up and be like, hey, I have something for you already, and it will blow them away. And guys, real quick, while this is loading, I just wanna let you know, there is so many businesses that need new websites and so many businesses that need AI agents. At the time of this video, this is possibly the most unsaturated business niche you can go into. Boom, look at this. Look how insane this is. In seconds, this is what it just built for me. It even has a custom calculator that changes price with what we click. Look at this, booking links, everything. I mean, you see how much better this is than this? It's literally, and this was created in seconds. We can add all kinds of things to this. If I wanted to come back in here and let's say, ask it, say, change the colors, add different logos, add this, add that, I can do that. I just text, tell it what I want, and it does it. Do you see how powerful this is? I tell it what to do and it does it, as opposed to building a website manually, which takes this forever. This does it like this, and it has these features like a smart calculator. I don't see that here. You guys have to understand just how powerful this is. And the crazy part is you can do this as being a beginner, so you don't need any experience, and you can charge recurring monthly money for this. I'm talking about $297 per month. You can go even higher. You can charge $497. But the cool part is once you collect this recurring money, you can upsell them on other stuff like review services, AI agents to answer the phone, all these other things. So you can take each customer that you make monthly money off of and then upsell them to make more monthly money. You guys have to see how powerful this is. And you just saw how easy that was. I just told it what I wanted it, copy and paste the URL, and it did it for me and made their website better. So you now can go and start doing this to all these people that don't have the best websites and use this as a foot in the door offer and essentially make way more recurring money than you would before. So now that you understand this part, we now need to move into how do you actually get in touch with business owners to get this $297. So there's a couple different ways we can do this. But if you are interested in using this vibe calculator and you don't want to build it from scratch to give, let's say, the local plumbers and just type in, I will show you the easiest way to do that. And that is by using a software called GoHighLevel. Now, real quick, I'm not trying to sell you some outdated course or some coaching program. Calm down. I have something really interesting to show you. On this website, it says 14-day free trial. If you look down below in my channel description, I actually have an exclusive 30-day free trial where you can try this out for free. That way you can get access to the features in HighLevel, use it, and if you don't like it after 30 days, cancel. No big deal. But I really think if you give this a go, and in what I'm about to show you in like 10 seconds here of how to sell this, I think you're going to want to try this because this is the most unsaturated business model online, and business owners will pay because I and many others have done this. But what I want to do too, and because I think this is going to really help you, is not just give you a 30-day free trial. I want to give you access to my entire private community for free. So that's my community where you can ask questions, all of my training modules, all of my pre-built out systems. I actually have some of these websites already pre-built out. I give you sales scripts, AI prompts. I mean, literally everything you could possibly want. But on top of that, I give you access to 7 live coaching calls you can attend every week for free. Yes, free. I don't charge you ever while you're using GoHighLevel under me. But like you can talk to me and my other coaches, and we have so many in the group, okay, that will guide you through this entire process. Again, it is all for the amazing price of free. Get in. You can also message me whenever you want up here. So this way, I not only guide you how to use this software and how to properly use these tools, okay, I also will be guiding you and my coaches through selling local business even more in depth so you get the hand-holding you need. And again, you can try that 30 days. If you don't like it, the software, you're like, this sucks, leave, no problem. You're not going to find this anywhere else. No one else is doing this risk-free sort of business model for you to try. It just doesn't exist anywhere. But now that you understand that and you're like, okay, I want to try this out. Well, how do I reach out to local business owners? Let's go through it. So first off, you're going to want to go to Google Maps. You're going to want to put in the industry. So plumber, electrician, HVAC, lawyer, whatever you want to put, then the location. From there, you'll get results popping up like this. Now what we need to do is we need to reach out to these business owners. So I first recommend you go through and you look at their websites to see which ones are plain, which ones are bad. You can just do just what I did. Again, I'm not trying to pick on these business owners. It's the first website I clicked. This is for educational purposes. So don't get mad at me. But just go through and see ones that are just not up to par. You know, ones that don't have proper forms, AI agents, or calculators. And then from there, all you need to do is just like I did, take their URL, put it in here, build them a new website in minutes or even seconds using the vibe coder, and then most importantly, get in touch with them. So that's how this process works. So you understand the first part, which is go in, take their URL, vibe code their site, but now you need to show them it. So once you have it built and you have this vibe code site, you now need to reach out, and there's actually a bunch of different ways you can do this. And a lot of people don't show this online, but I'm going to show you right now 25 different ways to reach out to these business owners once you found their website. So there's 25 different ways you can reach out to them. Let me walk you through these really fast. Number 1, you can send them cold email. Number 2, you can do a voicemail drop. Number 3, send them a personalized video outreach. Okay, number 5, you can meet them at networking events. Number 5, you can do a strategic partnership with another agency to bring them to you. You can run paid ads in their location. Number 7, you can do podcasts and PR. You can cold call them. You can get a referral system going. You can get clients through a certification program. You can send them a cold SMS. You can message them on social media. You can DM them on WhatsApp. You can create YouTube videos to attract them. Find them on X Spaces. Do AI SEO. Do a website submission form. Promo lead magnets. Hit them with a webinar. Get in through a business association to get a hold of them. Walk into their business. Talk to them cold. Find them an online community. Prospect through a community on Reddit to get a hold of them. Go a freelance marketplace to get work, or do a direct piece of mail or local outreach. Now, I know I went through those extremely fast, and you're like, okay, dude, there's no way I know what these is, but the reason I'm doing this is just to show you all of the different ways. I actually have a full video that's like 10 hours long going through every single one of these in depth, which is possibly my most valuable video I have. I'll give it to you for free. Just comment down below, I want to get clients, and I will send that to you right in the link, right in the comments down below so you can watch that. But really what I wanted to just show you is what is possible in all the different ways. So if you want, pause the video and look at these, find which one you like, and then drop the comment down below. And what I recommend you do is once you drop that comment, I'll send you the link to the video, and then you go in the chapters to the exact part in the video you want to watch. Say you want to do personalized video outreach, which is really powerful. Go into my big video that'll drop down below, and then you just click that chapter and watch that little section, which you could do in 10 minutes. Then from there, you know exactly how to do it. But the reason I'm not going through each of these in depth now is this video will legitimately be over 12 hours long. I don't want to have that. I want to just guide you through and show you kind of how to find it. So that's it. You have 25 different ways to reach out, and I really recommend you watch that video because that's going to guide you through. Actually, as a matter of fact, I'll just link that at the end of this video so you already have it because I think that would be just much better for you. So that's it, guys. That is how you're going to give these business owners a website they can't say no to. Again, using this vibe coder. This is the best, most beginner-friendly business model out there. I'm not kidding you. If you don't believe me, click the link down below and see a testimonial. No one can win faster than with a business model like this because AI does the heavy lifting for you. Back in the day when I did this, I didn't have AI to do this. I had to actually go in and code and build it. It was so hard. Now you can do it in minutes. Your job now has to be prospecting, getting in touch with clients, and doing all of that. So if this interests you and you want to go further, make sure you stick around because there's a video that's going to pop up that's going to show you the 25 different ways. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments down below. If you are interested in getting access to my private community and all of the assets I've already pre-built and all of my stuff, copy and paste, go down below, sign up for that 30-day free trial, and I'll see you in the community. Thanks again for watching, and make sure you watch the video that pops up right now.